press these three acupressure points to help you to stay healthy and happy. We very busy, we don't have a time to practice too long, but you can apply these techniques 5 minutes, 6 minutes every day during the time. Press these three acupressure points to help you to stay healthy and happy. Especially we very busy, we don't have a time to practice too long, but you can apply these techniques 5 minutes, 6 minutes every day during the time in the morning exercise, in the afternoon after Qigong exercise, or during the day. That first of all, we would like to sit beautifully. You can sit on the chair or on the yoga mat. So these three acupressure points is from your fingers, from your hand. Okay. So the first one in the center of the palms, right here. So you may use your forefingers to grab it. Okay. And then one point you can see the middle fingers right here. The middle fingers, at right there, is the center of your palms. Okay. Use your right thumb to press in the center of your palms. The way to do it is to press it, breathe in, and then release it, breathe out. Okay. And then you can do that for 60 seconds. Okay. Continue to do that. Breathe in. And then release it, breathe out. This center of the palm, when you do this often, can help yourself to strengthen your internal organs. Okay, breathe in, release it, breathe out, and you can relax the whole body. Inhale, exhale, and you just sit and then enjoy your breathing. Do that for 60 seconds, 1 minute. Even you can do longer. Help yourself to strengthen your internal organs. Inhale, exhale. You may cut your nails, your fingernails, so that you don't hurt your skin. Okay, that's good. And then you can use your left thumb to press in the center of your right palm. Okay, in the center of your right palm. Again, you can grab 4 fingers together, and then you can see the middle fingers. You see, can touch in the center of your palm right here. Right palm, center of your palms. Use your right thumb, press, breathe in, and release it out. Inhale. Continue to do that for 60 seconds. It's very easy. Relax the whole body. Inhale. Exhale. You may put a clock or the watch in front of you, so you can see, you can measure, and you can follow the time, 1 minute, 60 seconds, or otherwise you just continue to doing that for 1 or 2 minutes. Inhale, exhale. Relax your palms. Do this acupressure points in the center of your palms often help you to improve and strengthen your internal organs. Okay, that's wonderful. The next point. Okay, you can press in the center connection right here. Your index fingers and then your thumb. If you can see that, yeah, you can feel the connection bones. Okay, under that one there is a hole here, right here. Okay, use the right thumb, press at the connection between your index fingers and the thumb. Okay, so you can press this can help yourself to reduce headache and toothache. Okay, breathe in, press it, and then out, release it. Then continue to do for 60 seconds. You may feel a little bit pain, a little bit hurt, but it's okay. If you have very chronic headache or very extreme toothache, it helps a lot. Breathe in, out, release it. Inhale, exhale. You do each hand for 60 seconds and then you can change the other hand, okay? In, out. Okay, continue with the other hand. Index fingers and then your thumb. You can measure it. There's a connection point right here. And then use your right thumb. Press it. Release it. Breathe in. Release it, breathe out. Continue to do for 60 seconds and just smile. Offer a gentle smile and love to your hands, to your body, okay? Breathe in, out. That's good. Okay, the third one. You can put your hands on your knees and then you can use the 3 fingers. Index finger, middle fingers and the third fingers, okay? Measure from your inner wrist. And there is one point at the third finger right here, at the index fingers right here, right here. In the center, and you can feel 2 kind of little nerves right here in the center of it, okay? 3 fingers and then right here. Press it in the center, breathe in, release it, breathe out. This one can help you to release gas and strengthen your digestive system, okay? Breathe in, release it, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Do that for 60 seconds. Even you can do longer. It's okay. Relax your wrist. Relax your hands, your fingers. Inhale. Release it. Exhale. You can press and hold and breathe in. Release it. Breathe out. Relax. You see, there is a right here point. Right hand, okay? For inner wrist, use your middle fingers, third fingers, middle fingers, and then your index finger, okay? At the end, right there, the edge of the index finger right here. Right here. In the center, okay? Can use your thumb to press it. Breathe in. Keep for a while and release it. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Do that for 60 seconds. Help you to release the gas in the body, but at the same time to strengthen your digestive system. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax your body. Breathe in, breathe out. That's wonderful. to massage your two palms together so that you can relax, but also at the same time to give yourself a massage to your palms, and then two hands. To side of your hands.